Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Worsland, founder and head of performance development at Theragun. The Theragun is for chiropractors, physical therapists, trainers and athletes, and anyone that's active. The benefits of the Theragun is it increases blood flow, decreases lactic acid, and interrupts the pain cycle in the brain. I've seen the most success with the Theragun in athletes within minutes loosen up their muscles and go out and perform the way they need to.
We all have our own routines, from what we like to eat to how we work out. And the best addition to my routine has been the Theragun G1. Whether it's pre-workout or after a long trip on the road and I'm just unwinding at home, the G1 is unmatched when it comes to recovery.
It's aggressive, but it's not painful. And I feel as soon as when I use it, or Dr. Jason uses it on me, I mean, it's immediate results. And it's easy to use. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, you can travel with it. So I like the Theragun a lot better.
The G1 is absolutely the real deal. I use it on my quads, calves, hip flexor. I use it everywhere. It helps create blood flow where you have knots or scar tissue.
The Theragun is better than anything currently in the market because it's lightweight, easy to use, battery operated, handheld, mobile, it can go anywhere with you, with a really strong amplitude, which is the distance the head travels. The feedback on the Theragun has been unanimously positive, period.
From the moment you wake up, through whatever you choose to do. Being sufficiently hydrated allows your body to perform at its highest level. In order to stay on top of your game, hydration is everything. You can push yourself further and keep going for longer without anything holding you back. And now, there's a whole new way to hydrate on the go. Welcome to Hydration in Motion. Introducing the Wet Sleeve. A comfortable, breathable, and lightweight hydration solution worn on the forearm that lets you stay hydrated on the go. Forget about carrying water bottles, heavy belts, bulky backpacks, or having to stop for a drink. Wet Sleeve is ergonomically fitted to your body in a way that doesn't disrupt your natural athletic rhythm. Just fill up the reservoir with water or your favorite sports drink. Then close, insert, zip, and go. Into the wild, in the sun, on the street, in the road. Whatever gets you going, Wet Sleeve goes with you. Wet Sleeve is water resistant, and its high-quality insulated layer protects the liquid within so it stays cool until you're ready to hydrate. Then, simply bite the mouthpiece on the wrist to drink without losing any of your momentum. The sleeve also features 2 built-in pockets that keep personal belongings safe. It's made of high-quality, sustainable materials, is easy to clean, and comes in 3 sizes. The customizable dual strap fit ensures you stay comfortable, in charge, and hydrated wherever you go. Wet Sleeve. Experience your full potential. For the last 2 years, we've worked obsessively with a top European athletic wear design firm to create the most convenient way to stay hydrated while active. We haven't just improved existing products, but created something truly innovative. After countless hours of developing and testing prototypes with other athletes to refine every detail of the design, we found the perfect balance of capacity and comfort. The refillable hydration reservoir has a volume capacity of 12 ounces or 350 milliliter. It's made of FDA-approved food-grade materials, is durable, leak-proof, and slosh-resistant. Wet Sleeve's zippered pocket securely holds the reservoir and gives you quick and easy access whenever you need to refill. Using premium materials only, the built-in insulation layer keeps your beverage of choice nice and cool, even on your longest activities, while the internal 3D mesh lining allows your skin to breathe. The adjustable wraparound elastic band gives you the right fit, so you can wear your wet sleeve comfortably and securely at all times. We've also incorporated 2 inner pockets, sized to keep your keys and cards secure on the go. We already have our manufacturers lined up, and all we need now is your support. Upgrade your routine with the world's most innovative, hands-free hydration solution. Join us on Kickstarter and pre-order your wet sleeve today.
Someday. That's what we tell ourselves. Someday, we'll quit our job and chase what we really want. Music, adventure, memories. But there are those who refuse to wait for someday. For them, we've created Bass Rock.
Bass Rock is a versatile hydration backpack that allows you to physically feel music by vibrating bass throughout your body.
What the heck? This is crazy.
Oh yeah. Holy, that is super strong.
Wow.
It's like sound hugging you.
Bass Rock is the first and only technology that works with live music. Its microphone input transforms sound into a full body experience. Just turn it on and feel the bass flow through your body. Bass Rock also has a hydration reservoir, perfect to keep you going through a 3-day festival. And while the pack has ample storage for your essentials, its lightweight design and comfortable straps never weigh you down. Bass Rock has your back, so you can focus on doing more of what you love. Bass Rock also works with an auxiliary input. Just plug in your phone or computer, put on your headphones, and turn it up. With bass, you can feel. Bass Rock gives your music collection new life, and the vibrations continue even indoors. Bass Rock is powerful, yet quiet. So wherever life takes you, Bass Rock keeps you moving forward. Bass Rock's industry-leading fabric is breathable, durable, and lightweight. Bass Rock also plugs into auxiliary speakers, making it perfect for listening with friends. Bass Rock is your perfect companion for your craziest adventures and all the times in between.
We originally built Bass Rock for music festivals. Jared and I were going to all these different music festivals across the country, and we found a way to augment our experience while at these events. Jared and I actually built this large community following behind Bass Rock, who have just been immensely helpful in bringing Bass Rock to market. But what we didn't realize is all the different uses that people would be using them for. And it was at that point we realized that we had something so much bigger on our hands.
At Bass Rock, we're music lovers and adventurers. We have over 20 years of experience in manufacturing, startup, patent law, as well as backpack design. And we have over 50 years of combined experience in audio hardware engineering. We also have manufacturing partners set up so that we can begin building Bass Rock immediately after the Kickstarter closes. We're coming to Kickstarter because we need your help to fund our first production run. We cannot wait to ship Bass Rock out to you so you guys can change the way you experience the music you love.
In 2005, Relight introduced the world's first bike lights running on magnetic energy. Today, Relight is mounted on 1 out of 3 of all bikes in the Danish cities, and worldwide sales has reached more than 10 million sets of magnetic bike lights. Magnetic energy means no battery, which means that the light is always on. And this daytime running light feature is what yields the largest safety effect. Research based on a large-scale test showed reductions in accidents up to 19%. Now, Relight introduces the next generation of this life-saving magnetic bike light. Relight CO mounts on your bike in seconds with a new patent-pending mounting system, Remount. The light can be mounted in any vertical position on the stays, and you can easily move it to another bike. The magnet on the spoke has become smaller and more powerful. Most importantly, the light platform has been upgraded to provide high light intensity and good side visibility, while the repower technology keeps you safe even at a standstill. Get the CO by backing our Kickstarter campaign and help us increase the safety for vulnerable road users.